Extraordinary things are always hiding in places people never think to look. Jodi Picoul. Keep your face always toward the sunshine and shadows will fall behind you. Walt Whitman. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Tony Robbins. You can have it all, just not all at once. Oprah Winfrey. Say something positive and you'll see something positive. Thompson. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. Martin Luther King, Jr. Be yourself and people will like you. Kinney. Each day provides its own gifts. Aurelius. The most wasted of days is one without laughter. Cummings.